All right, let's look at question 9. Question 9 says the bearing of F from G is 64 degrees. 064 degrees. What is the bearing of G for this three-figure bearing of G from F? Now let's look at the 2 points. This is my G, point G, and this is my, let's say this is my F. This is my G and this is my F. So we draw a line. So from G to F, it says the bearing of F from G, that means start from this point G. This is the line that connects the two of them. So this is 64 degrees. 64 degrees. Now, the first thing to do, what is the bearing of G from F? That means start from F. This is the north position. We read clockwise from the north up to the point where our line of G, the line they share together. So this is what they ask us to look for. We can call this Y. We can call this X. Now here, to get my X, this is co-interior angle, this two. So we say X plus 64 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So we have that our X is equals to 180 degrees minus 64. So this is 6 and this is 116 degrees. That's when you subtract the two of them. Now this is angle at a point, and sum of angle at a point, X plus Y, sum up to 360 degrees. So since we already have our X to be 116, so we say 116 degree plus Y is equals to 360 degrees. So our Y will be equals to 360 degree minus 116 degrees. So our Y, when we subtract that, will be 244 degrees, which is option C. Now you can easily do it like this instead of passing through this. In case this is a theory question, that's why you must specify. But since this objective and time matters, all you just need to do is add 180 degrees to 64 and you get your answer. That's why you move to the next question.